Hey everyone, welcome back to another new video. GDG Solution Challenge 2025 finally started, and in today's video I will guide you how to participate GDG Solution Challenge and what are the eligibility, all of this step by step. So before starting today's video, please like and share, and if you are new, please subscribe. Now, what is solution challenge? And who are new for those solution challenge? Basically, it is a hack type of hackathon. It is organized by GDG on campus in collaboration with Hack to Skill, and it is for only it is for students developers who are in different colleges and university in across India and a part of GDG on campus program. It is for those students, and here are the registration link. And now the themes. GDG Solution Challenge 2025 mission to solve one of United Nations 17 Sustainable Development Goals using Google technology. And it is a primary goal, and it is a primary problem statement, you can say. And the problem statement is given in their website. I will show you, and you have to choose any of topic on this. Then you have to implement. Okay. Now go to next slide. Now what is the eligibility? First, who can participate? Students who are in undergraduate or graduate, they can participate. And second is above the age majority in the country, state, professor who are in above 18 or 18 years old. And third one is it is open to any GDG member, including lead and core team. They can participate, and each person can only join one team. Make sure these are the eligibility who can participate. Now, team building rules. And team building rules, first you have to your in your group first 1 to 4 member, no more than four, make sure. And at least one member in a team must be a GDG member. And team member can be from different university and can be different GDG chapter, can be different countries. Okay. Now here are the timeline of this campaign. First registration started from 6 January to 6 March. Registration ended 6 March. And then after registration, you have to train virtual training session that is happening on 30 Jan to 28 February. And after this, project submission started from 20 February to 23rd March. And after project submission, then your project will evaluation, and it will start from 31st March to 20 April. And after evaluation, it will initialize shortlisted announcement. Top 100 will announce will 21st April. And then virtual mentorship or prototype submission that will start from 22 April to 20 May. And then prototype submission that will start from 21st April to 25th May. Then evaluation process will start, that will start from 2nd June to 15th June. Okay. And then top 10 will be announced in 16 June. And then second week of July, grand finale will held. Okay. Here is the timeline of this campaign. And timelines are maybe change is there in, they will notify you in their website. So don't worry if there are any change. Now next, what are the prizes and rewards? And there are, you can get a chance up to 8 lakhs here. First winner will get 2 lakh, and first runner up will get 1 lakh 50,000, and second runner up will get 1 lakh 25,000. And for special category 1, 75,000, and for special category 2, 75,000. Now, those who participate in this solution challenge, all students will get certificate of participation, and also certificate for successful project submission will get, and certificate for top 100 selection, and for will get certificate for top 10. Here are the certificate for participants. Okay. And now the registration phase, first you have to register as an individual. Then you have to choose the problem statement. Then you have to create a developer profile. And also you have to provide, when you create register in solution challenge, you have to provide your developer profile link, public profile link. And how to create that, I will guide you in next upcoming slide. And then after providing your profile link, then verify your GDG campus chapter, which chapter you are member, provide that. Then form a team up to 4 members. Here are the registration phase. Okay. Then now we will know how to verify your campus. Now, first come on this site, Google Developer Groups, the website. I will give the links in description. And after coming this site, developer website, then here you have to search your location, like I am searching Nagpur. Okay, after giving Nagpur in search bar, it will show the listing which are registered campus chapter, GDG campus chapter. It will show. Okay, then after which campus you want to join, then select the chapter, and after selecting chapter, this kind of page will open that chapter, and then click on this join option, and after click on this join you will get registered. Okay, now you have to register in hack to skill solution challenge registration. Now here you have to fill the details, your college city, your degree, your stream, your pass out year, and here your developer profile link, and I will show you how to create this. Now we will show developer profile link how to create. First you have to go to developer.google.com, this link, and after then if you have already profile, then click on this sign in. If you're new, then click on sign up, and after fill up the basic details as given setup, then you have to complete your profile setup. Okay, and in profile setup, make sure you have to make your profile as public. Now how to set public, just say click on the three dots, then top right corner select profile, then the profile link is located below. It means it's showing set custom address, this kind of show, it means your profile is private. And if show this kind of g.dev and then your name like this kind of, then it means your profile is public. Okay, after clicking this, save your profile and use your dev profile link while registering solution challenge. Make sure you have to provide your developer profile link in solution challenge registration form. And after this, how to set your profile as public. When you created your developer profile, click on this settings gear icon, click on this settings gear icon, then click on this option edit profile, and edit profile, then you can see your profile is now private. Okay, now here you click on this change setting, and then after just click on this change setting, and after click on change setting, this kind of settings will open, and here you can see profile privacy setting, and you can see profile privacy setting is now in private mode. Now select this public mode. After select this public mode, then your profile will be public, and you just click on this set custom web address, this click on this, and here you can see also your profile link is public. Now then you have to create your team members. You can see your team members like this kind of dashboard, team dashboard. And after this, now how to do project submission. Submit a deck that clearly explain your solution using provided template will be provided. And like when you're where you're this kind of your team dashboard page, when you log in, you can see in resources you can find the uh, template link. Okay, and template link will be provided from Google Solution Challenge, and here is the link. You can also, I will give the link, and then make you have to share a YouTube or any Vimeo video up to 3 minutes and explaining your solution. Then share the link in source code on GitHub, and then project created, make sure your project GitHub project created after 1st December 2024, because if your repository created before 1st December, then that will not consider. Make sure. And also you can use Google tools like Gemini, IDS, Vertex, etc. to earn extra points. And how can you earn extra points? By using these tools, this kind of Google tools, Gemini API, IDS, Vertex AI, and free credits will be awarded for cloud platform. And here are the Google products which you can use in your project: TensorFlow, Google Cloud, Google AI, Firebase, Android Flutter. This kind of tools you can use it. If you use it, is your plus point. Okay, it is not mandatory, but if you use, you can get your chance more. Then here are the prototype submission evaluation. First is technical merit. Technical merit is 40%. In technical merit is if your code well written, efficient, and maintainable, and if your solution can be scaled for wider adoption, then they will also evaluate you how effectively your creativity integrity in Google developer technologies, and how many tools you used by Google like Gemini, GCP, like etc. tools you used or not. They will evaluate this in technical merit. And in user experience is 10%. It is basically easier solution, simple to navigate, if your solution user friendly, that kind of user friendly experience. Now alignment with cost, it is 25%. uh, it will check, does your solution effectively tackle the solution issue within the theme of hackathon. And then innovation and creativity, how innovation does you have applied in your project, they will evaluate that, it is 25%. So the evaluation is, first one is technical 40%, then it is user is 10%, and remaining are 25%. Okay. The next finale, which students are got selected top 10, they will be invited to the finale, and top 10 teams will have to pitch their idea to the jury, and top 5 winners will be announced. And if you have any query, you can comment below. And here is the link of registration, just screenshot of this page and or scan this QR for registration. And also I'll give the link in this video description. This is the solution challenge official website. Here you can see all of these details, timeline, bootcamp, requirement, prices, FAQs, and resources, all are given. And also you can see the themes and the problem statement given. Here is the problem statement. In timeline and problem statement section, you can see the problem statement they have given. You have to read the problem statement, and then pick one which you want to implement, then choose one topic and go through the implementation. So today's video is for that. Hope so today's video is helpful to you. See you next video. Still and bye bye.